Hey guys, it's your girl Majesty and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you, a few of my pet peeves, things I don't like. Maybe it's about you, maybe you may agree, disagree. I'm gonna share it with you anyway. I'm gonna share it with you. And I also made a list because I got quite a few things I would like to get off my chest. Number one, people with stinking breath. Why does your breath stink in the morning? Now I understand, maybe during the day you had something to eat for lunch, and that's fine. That's fine because your breath didn't stink in the morning. But why in the morning does your breath stink? Like, why are you coming up to me, polluting my air, blocking up my nose? Like, listen, yo, dog, your mouth tink. It think you need to go brush your tongue, go away your mouth, me no business. Drink bleach, drink Listerine, me no care. Brush your mouth. Sure. Making me all like, having to hold my breath like I'm freaking swimming. Move! Go brush your teeth. Two, people that be driving slow as hell. They be driving like 1 mile per hour. I don't even think that's possible. But when I'm driving, I want to be able to drive. Vroom, vroom, vroom. I want to be able to move, feel the car moving. Not having to brake every minute because you're driving so damn slow. Why are you driving so slow? Driving like you got cramps in your toes, like you can't find the pedals, and they're very easy to find. You basically want to be running. No, you're not. You ain't running. You basically want to be jogging or speed walking. Go do that on the sidewalk, man. Why are you driving so? Why are you on the road? You're just causing traffic and getting me annoyed. I hate people that drive slow. You drive too slow. Drive. Move up your car. Now, when people meet me, they find it fun to guess where I'm from. Yeah, I don't know why. So, are you from Barbados? No. Trinidad? No. Jamaica? Oh my days! Like, it's so exciting, isn't it? Oh, so can you speak your accent? I hate when people ask, oh, so can you talk Jamaican? Nah. You don't say. I can't speak it at all. Bloody hell. Listen, I hate when people ask me that question. One, because when you ask me to talk in my accent, I sound very, very fake. Like, when I'm asked to talk in my accent, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel that when I'm asked to talk it, because it's not natural, it sounds so fake. But when it's natural, it actually sounds like it's supposed to. So, if you meet me, don't ask me to talk Jamaican. Or people that eat with their mouth open. Yum, yum, yum. Why are you showing everybody what's in your mouth? Nobody wants to see that. Yum, yum. Like it's going round. Are you a washing machine? Why are you showing people what's in your mouth? We don't want to see that. Close your mouth and chew like normal people. Freaking chew and let everybody see. And then people that do this, look. And their excuses, it's hot. Who told you to shove it in your mouth? Who told you to shove it straight in your mouth? Blow it, cool it. And don't just shove it in your mouth and then everybody's seeing what's in. That just makes me sick. I hate when people Last one. People that take up the whole pavement. Why are you walking on the listen, I have common sense in it. So when I'm walking with my brother and I see someone coming towards us, I either let him walk in front of me or behind me so someone else can pass. Why is it now people don't have that common sense? Why is it when you're walking with somebody, especially people with prams? I don't have nothing against prams because I used to once push my brother in a pram, but I still had common sense, yeah? Taking up the whole damn pavement thinking it's for you. Like, they'll be walking, pushing their pram, and then their friends next to them and they're talking. You see me. I saw that you saw me. Why are you still having your what's so important are you talking about? That you can't move for once. It's not even gonna take me that long to pass you. For 1 second. Like, I can't go through your legs. I ain't gonna walk through you. I ain't no ghost. I can't jump over you. Yeah. Why can't you move? And then people that be walking slow. Oh my god. Be walking so slow and they're right in the middle of the pavement. Meaning, if you go that side, you're gonna walk into the wall, and if you go that, you're gonna get run over because there's so many cars coming. Why can't you just walk on one side and let me go past you? oh my gosh, that annoys me so much. Have consideration, people, okay? The pavement ain't yours. It's not got your name on it. Move. Let me pass. But yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. I mean, I think you should try, you know, getting stuff off your chest. It works. I feel a lot better right now. Yeah, you know, maybe you agreed, maybe you disagreed, maybe you're one of them people. I didn't mean to offend you. But yeah, I hope you liked it. And if you did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Bye.